Today is the review page, so we're going to answer the 6 questions about the article this week. Number 1 is, what is the paper about? What is the paper about? So basically, what is the title of the article we're reading today, this week? Sharing Happiness, Greta Thunberg and Earth, Irwin Family Helps Animals. So you guys have read all of these, but which one are we focusing on this week? We are going to be reading Irwin Family Helps Animals.
Irwin Family Helps Animals.
Number 2, who helps many wild animals? Who helps? Is it the Irwin family, Susan B. Anthony, or Martin Luther King Jr.? Who is helping the wild animals? If you look in the title, it tells us. The Irwin family.
Irwin Family.
They are the ones helping the animals in our article. 3, where did the Irwin family bring animals? Where did the Irwin family bring these animals? Did they bring them to the International Spy Museum, NASCAR Hall of Fame, or the Australia Zoo? The Australia Zoo. That's where the animals go.
Australia Zoo.
Number 4, where is the Irwin family from? Are they from Iceland, Australia, or Taiwan? So you can look in your article and look at the flag. Which flag is right? Iceland, Australia, or Taiwan?
Australia.
Australia. They are from Australia. Number 5, where do doctors care for animals? At a school, a hospital, or a museum? Where do people usually care for animals? I don't think we actually went through this, so I'll just tell you. You don't care for animals at schools or a museum. You care for animals at a hospital, like a pet hospital or an animal hospital.
Hospital.
And number 6, what are koalas and kangaroos? Are they wild animals, farm animals, or sea animals? It's part of our vocabulary word this week. They are wild animals.
Wild animals.
So to review, we can answer these in full sentences. This week's paper is about Irwin Family Helps Animals. The Irwin family helps many wild animals. The Irwin family brings animals to the Australia Zoo. The Irwin family is from Australia. Doctors care for animals in the hospital. Koalas and kangaroos are wild animals.